was a viewer suggestion. Thank you so much for your suggestion that I get a Gunsmith screwdriver set. So I got this Wheeler Engineering. There'll be a link in the description, Amazon, if you guys want to pick one of these up. To this is a 43-piece screwdriver set, and the cool thing about this is it includes these hollow ground bits. Has a handle in the set, and then it's got a variety of different types of bits that work better for firearms connections, parts, screws, whatever. So the difference, they say, with the standard shape bits and drivers is that they don't fit well, and the hollow ground fits gunsmithing parts that you're working on tightening or changing out. There's a whole chart here with all the different sizes, and it's a nice kit to have like in a range bag or anything where you're working on your firearms. You should have a good set of bits. You should have some a punch set, at least a soft type of hammer, you know, that's got like plastic ends for hitting pins out, things like that. You should have 2 sets of punches. You should have a drive punch and then also a roll pin punch. That would be a good way to get started. You should also have some sort of setup to be able to at least hold. This is for rifles. I have a video on this. This is the Hops rifle vise. This is plastic. I'm going to be doing some work. I'm going to have a video after this one with installation of these interesting Troy sights I found for this. This is the 50 caliber AR pattern rifle I have. I have an EOTech on there, but when I bought this upper 50 cal upper, didn't come with sights. I had this EOTech holographic on here, but I'm going to be adding these Troy sights, so I'll be installing those with this set. When I got this in the mail, there was no damage, but there were a lot of these parts that had come loose in shipping, but I just pushed them back in. The cool thing about this is I have a lot of tools. I mean, I don't know a lot. I mean, I have a decent variety of tools, but I still don't think I have 25. I don't have 25 different flatheads. Most of the flatheads that I have are, you know, pretty close to the same size, and I really like that about this set, is that I feel like I have a pretty complete set of a light to medium duty flatheads. It also comes with Torx style, and it also comes with a whole set of hex, and you know, hex is like Allen, and then you get 5 Phillips, different styles of Phillips, like a Ratchet adapter, which is nice to have. Looks like that's a quarter. One thing about the hex is they are all SAE. They are not metric. You know, you should also have 2 sets of hex. You should have a good set of small to medium SAE or inch sizes, and you should also have a set of metric. So what I have is I have a couple of different styles of these. These are the Harbor Freight ones. One's in metric and one is an inch. But I mean, I have a bunch of different. You sort of start to collect Allen keys as you buy different things, you get different things. So there's a little cubby holder. It's a nice little carry case that they give you, plastic. So I like this set. It wasn't that expensive, and it's nice to be able to have things. I think someone watched my Benelli video installing the shell holder rail, and they suggested that I have a good set so as to minimize stripping and dinging. So I do appreciate that suggestion. But check it out. You know, if you need a good little bit set that is specific to gunsmithing or more usable for gunsmithing, I really do like having because there are a lot of things that are still flathead, and then, you know, there are a lot of like optics, red dot stuff that is Torx. So it's nice to have a good set. And again, this is portable. You can keep it in your range bag or, you know, on your workbench. Thank you so much to all of our subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. We really, really appreciate it.